Does religion matter to you before entering a relationship? I would like to plead the fifth.
I can answer that. I would happily answer that.
Wimp?
What do you mean wimp? It depends on what kind of a relationship it is. Is it a friendship?
भैया
Is it
राखी नहीं बोल रही मैं.
Is it a romantic relationship that is lasting for a short season, or is it a long?
Okay, short season. My God, this guy so politically correct. इसीलिए शादी नहीं होगी तेरी.
What's this curse?
I think he's misunderstood the question. It's not religion. It's, I think, the level of religiosity. Let me twist the question. Let's say if you are
वाइवा ले रहे हो यार.
अरे नहीं हाँ बच्चे करके मत. Let's say, will you marry a woman that is dressed up like Darth Vader all the time?
चलना.
No, I would not.
Right? Okay, will you marry a woman that believes in the idea of ghungat?
Okay.
I will.
Granted.
Perhaps. I mean, I don't. These are
Simple.
difficult. Look. My philosophy is take it on a case by case basis.
I wouldn't. I
Like the
wouldn't
quotes.
marry either or. It's very simple.
Okay, even if you're not marrying, would you date? Yes, right?
Look, there are so many cuisines in the world. You should have a flavor for all kinds of partners to know कि कौन किस culture
नहीं
से आता
मतलब ये
है
किस
क्या.
किस्म का वाहियात आंसर दे रहा है जरा मैं एक्सप्लेन कर मुझे.
मैं आपको ऑनेस्टली बताता हूँ. मैं आपको और मैं इससे एक बहुत पर्टिनेंट इंडिया
शहजाद
के.
बड़ा खुश है ये क्वेश्चन मुझे नहीं आया.
नहीं मैं बताता हूँ. मैं इंडिया के डेटिंग कल्चर के बारे में बताता हूँ और मैं इंडिया के मेल इंसेल कल्चर के बारे में बताता हूँ क्यों होता है. हमारे यहाँ पे एक फिक्स्ड अरेंज मैरिज का कल्चर अभी भी है. ठीक है. बंदे जो होते हैं सोशली इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड, रोमांटिकली इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड, सेक्सुअली इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड, शादी करा देते हैं उनकी. फिर उसके बाद इनका कंपैटिबिलिटी इश्यूज होते हैं और दिक्कत होते हैं बिकॉज दे डोंट नो व्हाट दे वांट, दे डोंट नो देयर प्रेफरेंसेस. सो इफ यू डोंट date across the spectrum, you don't know what
Have
you
you
want.
dated across the spectrum to know now your preferences?
I'm still on a journey of doing that.
So in that, religion will not matter, right?
It's going to be tricky because I will say as time has gone on, I would definitely want to at least have an in-group in as far as religion is concerned. Yeah, religiosity अगर थोड़ी मतलब ज़्यादा भी ना हो, whatever I'm saying is fucking like it's just causing problems. Like for example,
ये पता क्या है इसका ये मतलब जो टेलीफोन डायरेक्टरी नहीं होती थी पहले. He doesn't want anything to be off that. You know, he wants कि सारे के सारे मेरे को देखे.
The world is my oyster. Is basically what Vinamra Kasana is trying to say.
I've dated a Korean American girl a while ago, and her father was a pastor. तो वो सही था पर वो टाओइज्म वगैरह की बातें उसके चक्कर में मैंने टाओइज्म बहुत सीख लिया. अब तो हम डेट नहीं करते, but टाओइज्म की नॉलेज मेरे को है कि टाओइज्म क्या है.
देखो, so you learn from every experience.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. It's like when you also enter romance, you enter like their worldview, right?
Does religion matter to you if you were to like when you were dating or when?
It would not have mattered to me. I'm irreligious.
Oh God, yes. ये
so
नास्तिक
please
है.
try
You
and
should also ask
understand.
this question of Shahzad because you've asked the two of us.
हाँ,
this.
I'm going to come to Shehzad.
मेरे केस में तो मेरे पार्टनर के लिए इशू होएगा ना.
हाँ, because of his नास्तिक.
For-
उसका पॉडकास्ट का नाम ही है.
हाँ, तो मेरे लिए तो मेरा पार्टनर का है. I am very lucky that my wife never created any
Imposed,
issue
okay.
and she never imposed anything.
Shehzad?
For dating, religion doesn't matter because usually when you date somebody, you date them because you like them. And usually the first thing you ask a person, what's your name? अच्छा क्या धर्म है? नहीं, ऐसा तो होता नहीं.
फिर वो सरनेम से पता लग जाता है ना.
Surname से. But see, even if you go by the like, if you're talking only about Indians, now if I were to see somebody and I like them, and something strikes that oh she's pretty or you know, so at the first glance 90% of times you're not going to figure out she's Hindu or Muslim or what community or etc or whether she is or she is not that religious etc. So as far as dating is concerned, I think it goes purely on the basis of what that person makes you feel and how you feel with that person. Marriage, I think, because the institution of marriage or institution of wedding, let me put it that way, not marriage. Institution of wedding is still a family affair, a society affair. I think for them religion matters. But again, two people getting together, it doesn't depend on what faith you practice. It depends on how much respect you have for that person's faith. So, Shah Rukh and Gauri, for instance.
Yeah.
Okay, and I like this fact about it, that both individually I think practice their own faith, but they have enough maturity to respect each other's faith, right? At least that's what it seems. So that I think is more important. Tehseen and Monica too.
Yeah.
Tehseen although would not be categorized as a hardcore practicing
Tehseen is an
Muslim. He's an atheist, right? But I think that what you must be willing to look at is that even if somebody has a different faith, you must be willing to accept it and not impose your view on that person. Like, I'm against this thing, bhai, you have to convert to marry me. I'm completely against that. If your love is so important and strong, why want to
Let
convert?
me be the party
You
pooper.
should convert for that
Let
person.
me be the party pooper, an ultra-orthodox Muslim and an ultra-orthodox Christian, an ultra-orthodox Hindu and an ultra-orthodox Christian. Any ultra-orthodox ideologue cannot marry an ideologue of the other side
That's
Yeah.
because they just cannot. Because the ideology, the religiosity, देखो हम लोग सब लोग हैं ना, we are all centrists. Some are on slightly on this side of the
Shahzad is
spectrum.
disagreeing, you know.
No. I'm not disagreeing.
No,
Actually, he's
essentially
reiterating what I'm
on
saying
yeah,
because
yeah.
my premise is that compatibility
Yeah.
won't come only. No.
मैंने बोला था कि someone dressed up like Darth Vader or someone dressed up like that, it is impossible to marry an ideologue. Most people are centrists. वो लोग आपस में शादी कर लेते हैं, वहाँ पे रिलीजन मैटर नहीं करता है, रिलीजन मैटर करता है ऑर्थोडॉक्स लोगों में. तो
certain things though, right? I mean, certain vibes वो centrist
या
के लिए भी
अभी
चाहिए
अभी
होता है.
आप बी फीटिंग होएगी, क्या आप अपनी बी फीटिंग को कॉम्प्रोमाइज करोगे? या फॉर एंड फॉर अ मुस्लिम दे माइट बी ओपन टू एवरीथिंग, बट यार घर में पिग ईटिंग नहीं हो सकती, पोर्क ईटिंग नहीं हो सकती. आई थिंक वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट दैट. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई वाइफ व्हेन वी गॉट मैरिड शी सेड देख तुझे चिकन खाना है तू खा, मुझे कभी हाथ लगाने को नहीं बोलना. एंड आई हैव रिस्पेक्टेड दैट. शी नेवर टचेज इट. But for me, it was not a deal breaker. But if someone would have been ultra orthodox non-vegetarian or someone like her would have been an ultra orthodox vegetarian, I don't think they should get married. That's just my opinion.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.